Hi guys, I am Maya and welcome to Bookshot. If you are new on this channel, here I talk all about books and online growth. If you are interested in these topics, make sure you stay tuned with Bookshot. Over the last 10 to 12 years, we have seen a boom of digital stars, people who have made it big on the small screen as in YouTube. And the most fascinating thing about these people are that they are ordinary people just like you and me, and that is what makes this book super special. Booming Digital Stars is a book that covers the story of 11 such content creators who have made it big on the small screen. These are the people who chose unconventional paths without having an idea where it would take them, because obviously 10 to 12 years back, YouTube was not a thing among common people. And the authors of this book, Pamnani and Manish Pandey, have put great efforts in getting in touch with these content creators and compiling their stories in a very engaging way. In this book, you will get to read the stories of Bhuvan Bam, Prajakta Kohli, Ranveer Allahabadia, Kavita Singh, Yashraj Mukherjee, Ujjwal Chaurasia, Ashish Chanchlani, and I think Team Nach, I don't remember their name, Abhi and Niu, and two more people, just a second, Madan Gauri and Nikunj Rotia. Among these 11 creators, I am subscribed to 5 channels and I follow their content more or less on a regular basis. 2 creators I was not much aware of from this book, and thanks to the authors for introducing them to me. And rest of the creators, I knew them, but I don't follow their channel on a regular basis. And when I picked this book, I had this thought in mind, why only these 11 creators? Because obviously there are other YouTubers who come on the same range of these creators, and why are those people not included in this book? And then the authors say that since this is their first book, they have included only 11 stories here, and they will definitely come up with more content creators stories in the future. So fingers crossed for that. Having said that, there is a lot to take away from this book. This book will give you a strange kind of hope to do things in your own way. So there is nothing like doing right things when it comes to a creative field. You do things in your own way, and if it works out, it becomes the right thing to do. And if it doesn't work, you will have to figure out how to do it in a different way. That is what all of these creators did. They followed their own path. They did things in their own way. And what makes them different is that they did not quit when things did not work out. They took time to figure out what went wrong, and they fixed those mistakes. One thing that is common among all of these creators is their passion towards their work. Today they are big names, but we as audience love them even today. It is all because of their passion towards their work, and that is what makes them authentic and relatable. And this passion is something that gives people like us hope to come into the creative field and do things in our own way. And then comes the most interesting part. You will get some insights into the collaboration and brand deals that happen on YouTube. We all know for a reason how much digital media has evolved over the last few years. Digital influencers are the people who create much more impact than any celebrities out there. Or even we can see that celebrities have started creating content on YouTube these days. So the creator economy is definitely growing, and this book is a reminder to us to make best use of technology and create opportunities for ourselves. Rest is for you to read and understand. If you are interested to read this book, the link is in the description box below. Go and grab your copy and enjoy. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.